All right, welcome to Photoshop, and today we're going to take a look at Place Embedded and Place Linked inside of Adobe Photoshop and find out what they actually do. So Place Embedded and Place Linked are under the File menu, and we have Place Embedded and Place Linked. Place Linked is newer than Place Embedded, and I will show you what they do, how they work, and what the difference is. So I've created this blank document. You can see it is 8.5 by 11 at 300 pixels per inch. And then over here, we have this image, and that's the image that we're going to be using in this document, but I'm going to go ahead and close that out because we're not actually going to use this that way. So to place an image inside of a document, all you're going to do is go down to File, Place Embedded, and then you're going to select that file. So I'm going to select the landscape file and hit Place, and it's going to make a placeholder, and it's going to put that image inside of the document. Then I can move this around. You can see over here is created a separate layer. Once I apply this or save it by either hitting return or double clicking inside of the image, you can see it has turned this into a smart object. So if I change something in the image, I need to go back to the original image. I'm not actually changing it here. Or if I change it outside of the document, it's going to link or refer back to this. However, the difference between linked and embedded is embedded actually puts the image inside of the document. So an easy way to see this is I'm going to hit Command-Shift-S and save as, and we're going to change this one to embed. Just same that as the PSD file. And then if I come up here, bring up my file menu, we can see that this is now a 28 megabyte file. The landscape photo itself was 16.3 megabytes. But watch what happens if we do this same thing. We're going to just delete this out for now. And we're going to come up here and go File, Place Linked. Same thing. We're going to take the same exact photo, place that inside of our image exactly the same way. We're going to apply that. And this time, instead of being a smart object, we're seeing a little link symbol instead of that smart object. So if I do a Command-Shift-S to save this image out, and we will call this link and save this out, and then we go back to our file size, you'll notice that the link file size is smaller than the embedded, which is 28. So what this is doing is it's saving some information. It's not actually putting this landscape photo totally inside this document. It's just referring to this document. What you're able to do is keep smaller file sizes when you do this versus stacking a whole bunch of images inside a document and getting this massive file to work with. You're just linking the image to your file, and it's creating a new file, but it's not making it as large as if it was embedded or you just simply placed an image inside of that document. Now, what you would have to do if you save an embedded, and let's say I had this embed PSD and I wanted to send it to a friend or a graphic designer, the image is going to be in there. So I can just send this document. I'm good to go. They can open it. Everything they would need to be is there. However, you cannot just send this link document to someone because it is linked to this image. To save this out, what you're going to need to do is, since this image here is not actually part of this document, it is linked, we need to save this in a folder. And so Photoshop has created something called a package, and a package will allow us to save that out. So if I go up here to File and save this as a package, what it's going to do, it's going to create a folder for this link PSD, and then it's going to put this image inside of it. And we'll just save this back into this boats files. I'll hit choose, it's saving that out. Then when I go up here, now notice we have this new folder called link folder, and this is that package. And then inside of that folder, it's going to have that link PSD and everything that we need inside of it to open that image. Hopefully that has been helpful. We learned a little about Place Embed and Place Linked inside of Photoshop. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave those below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe.